Greetings, welcome to Maccabee's Wha Me Eat Wednesdays. Last week's competition was sending a recipe for courgette, aka zucchini, and the winner was Der _SIVER with sweet zucchini cake. How Wha Me Eat Wednesday? What am I going to make? We're going to make a zucchini cake. Get the zucchini and Grate, bananas, palm sugar. I use dates, almond milk, plant-based flour. I'll use spelt in this case, but it's up to you if you want to replace. Spices, depends on your taste. Vanilla, also cinnamon, a little bit of the Himalayan. Grate some nuts, walnuts, pecan. Ready to start blending this one. The wet ingredients, you have to get them and put them in the blender and start to blend. When it's nice and smooth, get the dry ones again. Mix it all up and bake it in the oven. How long do you bake it? About 50 to 60 minutes, then out of the oven, you must take it and make it cool down for a little bit. How Wha Me Eat Wednesdays? Yes, I am.